welcome. Today we're taking a sound that most second language users of English find very challenging. Very, very challenging. Especially Africans and to be specific, I will say Nigerians. This sound is Listen again. Did you hear that? Now we are going to contrast this sound with the sound we've done earlier in some of the previous episodes, and this sound is What's the difference? In the first sound, here the tongue swells at the front, the mouth is spread, and you hear the sound But here, the sound comes from the back, not from the front, and the tongue is raised up to the center of the mouth, while the sound comes from here. Let's take a few word examples so you can get it right. UP. 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 Stand up. Up. Upgrade. Up. Not off. But. Up. And look at another word. Here we have a word that's not likely. Look at this. The O there. M-O-T-H-E-R. The O. Mother. 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 My mother. And look at this one. Brother. 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 And look at this. Other. Other. Another. B-L-O-O-D. Blood. 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 And look at this. F-L-O-O-D. Flood. 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 So keep learning the difference. Keep working on it. And every day you learn a new sound and you get better and better and better. And before you know it, you have become an enlightened user of spoken English, adhering to the globally acceptable standard of English pronunciations. So until we meet again, keep liking and sharing my videos, and do not forget to click that subscribe button. See you again.